the first person in the class. Let's say first name is Emma. Emma. Kwame. Emma Kwame. So his hobby is reading. And then subject, the first subject, let's say science. Our first subject is science. We can do some manipulation here, but I'll not bother you with it for now. Exercise. How much? What did he get in science exercise? Let's say he had 18. Then class test he had 26. Exam score he had 56. That is the information. We can validate this data. There's a part, and this side is for validation. We can validate it. What I mean is that we can set aside that the value will not exceed a certain number. Maybe we want the part for the exercise, we want the values to fall within 20 and less. Numbers between less than or equals to 20, and the classes maybe want it to be numbers or score less than or equals to 30. We can validate it. And exam score, we can validate it to be what, less than or equals to 100. So that you cannot by mistake just enter a number that will exceed that particular field, which might make your calculation difficult or having problem with the calculation. So I did not put any calculated field in this side, but we can use this one and do calculation on them. We will do that one later. So let's just proceed with flooding it with information. We come to the second people. The second people is still for the first teacher. So we code the first teacher's ID there. 1001. That's still his class. And then the second people in that class was Kojo Kuma. His hobby is what? Riding. Subject is still science, and his score is he has 15, he had 29, and he had exam 82. And that is it. We go to the third person in the same class, 1. Okay, let's say his name is Otis Letty. Then his hobby is hunting. Then we go to the subject as science as it is. Then his score for science exercise is 26. Then maybe the class test he had 25, exam score he had 79, and that is it. So let's assume that, so if there are 20 people in the class, that is for the first teacher, you try and enter all the names of the 20 people using the teacher ID. The teacher ID is 1001. So let's assume that there are 20 people and we have already entered all the 20. So we are going to the second person. We are going to the second teacher, his class and his students. So his ID is 1002. So this information that we will enter here will not be adding up to the already existing one. It will add into the second teacher on the teacher info, that is Crystal Bain. So that is his class information that we are about to enter in the people this time people table. So 1002 is the teacher code. So go to his class, the name of the peoples, Isifu, then Hamidu. Go to his hobby. We are using the same trend. So his hobby is playing football. Then put football. He just like playing football. Science. Okay, we have science exercise 24, class test 17, then exam score 57, and he's done. We'll go to the second people in his class. Barakisu. Adam. Adam. Barakisu Adam. His hobby is reading, science. So this science, instead of maybe all the time we want to be entering science, we can validate it. The moment we get there, the science will be written and waiting for us. We don't need to be entering it every time, typing science. So when I will do that, and you see fifth table, sorry. Okay, 10. Class score 30. That's a class test 30, and then exam 78. So come to the third people in the second 1002. That's the second teacher's his information, his class people. Then the first name of the person is Emma. Oh, sorry. Emma. Oh, I didn't put the first name. The first name, okay, let me put John. Then hobby. The hobby is his hobby is wrestling. Okay. Science. This time I'm trying to customize science so that I will not be typing it all the time. So I can just come to this place, this side, default value. Just click on default value. You have equal sign, equals to, delete the equal sign, backspace. So write science there, and click OK. Yes, it's there, and it's automatically writing itself. So we'll go to exercise 14. Oh, sorry, there was already a 0 that I did not delete. 14 and 26, 45. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's assume that is all the people for the second class teacher, the second teacher. Let's say form 2. So that's all the people that we have entered. We are going to the third teacher. Let's say taking form 3. His ID is 1003. So we enter it, then we go and add the names of the people. One of the name is first name is Ware. Then last name is Gona. Then his hobby reading.